Hello my internet family and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well, and today I'm going to be showing you this wing eyeliner which I am wearing right now, and I will tell you in the depth of this video for in this tutorial. And also, if you guys want to know all the makeup which I'm wearing on my face right now, it will be listed in the description box. So if you guys want to see this perfect wing eyeliner like this, then please keep watching. So I have starting off with all my makeup done and my eyes are completely bare. So I have no eyeshadow on and no mascara, no eyeliner, so whatever. So my eyes look like this right now, and now I'm going to show you guys the exactly all the step that I take to get my eyeliner looking like a pro and perfectly. For eyeliner I'm using Maybelline Hyper Glossy. This is matte black, and which I love so much, and this have a beautiful end. And so let's get started. So taking the eyeliner, I start for wing. I drag that outwards with a very light hand, and then I drag a little bit of that eyeliner in to create that wing. And here I'm just taking it up. The most important thing you want to do when you are building your wing is not dipping your eyeliner brush back into the pot. Once you are getting happy with the shape of it, then you can start applying a bit more product to that wing. It's crucial to not kind of dip your brush in there until you are happy with the kind of stencil outline first. So using really small amounts of thickness to add to the wing, you don't want to kind of like just draw lines everywhere and fill everything in, because that just going to make it really hard to create the perfect shape and to have that control. So here you can see me, I have tried to keep as many clips of this in as possible, and I just building up on it. Now I am doing the same exact thing to the other eye. So here I am applying a really light amount of pressure to create that flick, and then I am bringing that in ever so slightly to create that wing, and then thickening it up until I am happy with the way that it's looking. I also like to angle my wings out to the temples, so where my hairlines is, and that way I try and get the most kind of similar looking wing on each eye. Once I have got the wings mapped out, I kind of have a look at them and see if there anything that's need adding to the wing itself or the shape of the wing. This is where you can use some concealer or makeup remover to take away any kind of areas that you have made a mistake on. The next part can be the tricky part, but this is where I like to pad out my wing. So I use again very small strokes, and I thickened up the wing ever so slightly. So I work on where there's already product on my eyes and I slightly make it thick. So here I am happy with the way that it's looking. That I like to get a pencil eyeliner. This is from Lakme, and I run that along with upper lash line, and you will see in a second just how it makes this one eye look a lot fuller, and that eyeliner just looks a lot more complete because it's a very nice thick line. So here I am just applying that same eyeliner to my upper lash line, and again you want to work on this really slowly because you want to not poke yourself in eye. And if your eyes do water, just make sure you have got some Q-tips or something at hand. Then I am taking my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Mascara and I am just coating my eyelashes with this. You guys know how much I love this mascara, and I am coating both my upper and my lower lashes with this mascara. And I like doing my lower lashes as well, just because I like to balance out the true eye and the bottom eye. I'm sorry if this has been a little bit like rambly with this video, but I wanted to get as much information into it as possible. And please check the info box as well, because I will also type out the kind so direction, so that's what you call them, instruction of how I do my winged eye. So here my winged eye with just mascara on, but when I do have just a winged eye like this, I have to add some lashes. So here in my eye with some lashes on top. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this eyeliner tutorial, and just remember, don't be upset if you can't do this perfectly, because it's all about for practice. So don't be worried about this. Do practice for this and you can get a perfect winged eyeliner one day. So best of luck for this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really enjoyed doing this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for instant notification for my video. If you want more video like this or anything like makeup or skincare or hair care, then please let me know in the comment section below. So now I'll see you all in my next video. So now take care and bye.